I will leave a parts list in the description. The first thing I did is remove the cap. Then I used an impact with an 11mm socket. After removing the bolt, I screwed the bolt back in about a full rotation or one turn. The reason I screwed the bolt back in is because I'm going to use airbags, and I do not want this wash plate to cut loose and come flying back up into my face. I'm using picking tools to get underneath the wash plate to pull it up enough to get the airbags underneath. I put one screw into each location of the wash plate in the raised area. The reason why I screwed it into that specific area is because it will not flex as much. I'm using a slide hammer on each one of the screws that's protruding up.